Hi coders! Welcome back to 100 Days 100 JavaScript Projects. I'm Sneha, and today we're building a simple and useful tip calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This calculator lets you enter a bill amount, select a tip percentage, and instantly see how much tip you should give and what your total bill is. Let's break it down step by step. HTML. First, we set up our HTML document with the necessary metadata and title. Then inside the body, we create a container to hold everything. We add a heading that says Tip Calculator. Next, we include a label and input box for entering the bill amount. Then we add another label and a drop-down menu where users can select a tip percentage like 10, 15, or 20%. Below that, we add a button that will calculate the tip when clicked. Finally, we add two text paragraphs to display the tip amount and total amount. Add links for CSS and JavaScript. This is the HTML output. CSS. In the CSS, we style the body with a simple background and center the content. The container has a neat box design with padding, border radius, and shadow. We style the input, select box, and button to make them clean and interactive. The result section is styled to clearly show the calculated amounts. JavaScript functionality. In the JavaScript, we create a function that runs when the button is clicked. We first grab the values entered by the user, the bill amount and the selected tip percentage. Then, we check if the bill amount is valid. If it's not, we show an alert asking the user to enter a valid number. If everything looks good, we calculate the tip by multiplying the bill amount with the tip percentage. We also calculate the total by adding the tip to the original bill. Finally, we display the results by updating the text on the page to show the tip and total amount. And that's it, our tip calculator is complete. This is a great beginner-friendly project that teaches you how to take input, do simple calculations, and update the page dynamically with JavaScript. This is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you liked this project, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more from my 100 Days 100 JavaScript Projects challenge. Up next in Day 4, we'll be building a fun random color generator, a project that changes background colors with just a click. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.